How to use Meta Business Suite Insight. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use Meta Business Suite Insight. Meta Business Suite Insight is a powerful tool that allows you to gain valuable insights into your posts and ads on Facebook and Instagram. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account. Then move to the left side of the screen where you can see a drop down menu. Then this menu, scroll down and select Insight. All right. And then you wait for the Insights page to load. Once the page has loaded once the page has loaded, you would see your last week in review. All right. And here you check out how much activity you did, your goals, how far you've accomplished your goals, and then your results. That is, what did your ads yield, which results did your ad yield, and then the amount of messaging activity that you did. So if you want to check out the insights, you can just click on view all insights to check more. So you can just go ahead and do that. And then once you click on view more insights, you can see the general insights page. So moving to the left side of the screen, you can see your plan, results, audience messaging, bench, bank marking, and then by the time you scroll down, you can see your performance so far. So that performance, you can see the number of people that was reached between a specific time to a specific time, and then the content interactions, the followers, the links, etc. And then by the time you scroll down more, you would see how far your business has been advertised, making use of Meta Business Suite. So the next step is to move to the left side and then click on results. So after clicking on results, you'll be brought to the results page. So on this page, you can observe the trends in each page, reach, paid reach, and paid impressions. All right, you can check them out of all of it. You can check the number of visits you had from a particular date to a particular date. Now, in most cases, if it's your first time viewing your Meta Business Suite insights, you would see the number of visits that you've gotten from the time you started making use of your Facebook business account. All right. So for me, I started on the 27th of March, and that is why it is displaying that from 27th of March to 23rd of April, I had so number of visits. So by the time you scroll down, then you'll see the number of follows you had also both on your Facebook and Instagram account, and then you can see your ad trends. You can see all other options as well. So just go ahead and check all of this. Observe your progress, and then you can decide to start a new goal by moving to the top right corner and clicking on start new goal, and then you can also decide to export your results, so have it as a reference and all of that. And then you can also move to the left side of the screen, check out your audience as well, to check out number of audience that you've gathered so far after using your Meta Business Suite. You can check out your messaging app, messaging activity as well. And then under content, just go ahead and click on content. And after clicking on content, once you're taken to the contents page, you'll be able to explore your reach and engagement for posts, ads, and stories. So let's click on it again. Yes. So yeah, you can see your story insights and all. So on this page, normally you would see your posts and stories, the media type, and then you see how much engagement you got from them. Now, the reason why this page is empty for me is because I have not posted any stories or any posts so far that could have um attracted people. Like, I have not posted any at all. That's why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of them here. You will see the media type on also as well. If it's a photo, a video, or a text, just select the category you fall under and then filter it, and you are good to go. All right. So this is how you can use Meta Business Suite Insights, majorly used for you to track your progress thus far. So ensure you make use of it today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.